Good day, gentlemen and ladies. What you're actually looking at is a crime scene of my Whirlpool Duet washing machine. For the first 3 years, when I bought it in 2011, it worked fine. We were very happy with it. And after only 3 years, it started to leak water. So to investigate, I decided to remove the front panel here, and it's hooked right there. But to look at it, and what I discovered is the bellow, which is giving the seal from the washing drum to the front, was pierced at many places. So that was the first time I fixed that, about 3 or 4 holes. Then 3 years later, that was in 2016-17, I had a few holes and was leaking again, so I had to remove it. So this is about the 4th time that I removed the front. I'm quite an expert on how to remove it. Just to give you an example, to remove the front part, everything you need to remove the bottom, then here, then the top. It only at the first time only took me about 45 minutes, but at the end, 50 minutes is done. So I was quite, I'm quite good at it, I guess. But the result of my video, it's well, when it's the 3rd time you fix a thing, it's time to change the bellow. The rubber is getting almost cracked in many places. I'm gonna show you that. Alright, so as you can see, is I put cement glue. It's contact glue over of it. I scrub everything. I clean it with toluene. Then I apply 3 coat, and then I patch everything. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I have many patches, so after about 3, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a hole, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Yeah, so I guess I was over fixing it. I was doing, I tried to find the right word, but I don't remember, but so it's time to change it. So I found they're great service there. I was ready to order there. The price was cheaper than on Amazon, by the way. It was a real part from Whirlpool. However, the part couldn't be available until the 5th of May, which is about a month and a half from now. Not a month and a half, about roughly a month. And so I went to order on Amazon, and I will receive it in 3 days. About it was $208, and I will receive it in 3 days from now. So that's my short video of of a crime scene about my washing machine. And yes, it's basically the same type of rubber than the life raft on aircraft are made of. So I was quite an expert of fixing it, but well, after 10 years of intense washing, it's time to bring a new one. Alright, so take care of yourself. Cheers. The reason why I cut the sound while I was publishing it is I was not saying the correct thing. It was the easy appliance parts, and this is the website. I'm going to show you that, man, in detail. It's easy appliance, and always found there. It's in Truro near Grumpy workshop. Hello, Grumpy. And I always have a good laugh. The great service. However, it was way too much long for 1 month, and they gave me the part. So I ordered it, and they're very good, great people there. So this is this is it. All right. Cheers. This is for Logger John. Yes, my washing machine does have an attitude like yours. All right, cheers.